How's it going tonight there, YouTube? Well, got a little how-to video for you guys tonight. I know there's probably about a million other videos on YouTube how to hook a trailer up, but that's what YouTube was invented for, how-to videos. So anyway, that's my version of how to do it. So pretty much your first step is going to be, if you got one of these trailer ball locks, take that off before you back your truck up. It makes your life a lot easier. Just saying. Anyway, the first thing you really do got to do, you got to get your tow vehicle lined up. Now, it does help to have two people with doing this step, but sometimes the other person's not always around. I kind of luck out because I have a rear view camera on the Denali, and it really helps things out. Helps save a lot of grief anyways. So once you got your ball hitch lined up where you want it, next thing you're going to want to do, drop trailer onto your truck. Now, with my style of hitch, you have to actually hold this lever up like so. Always bring your jack all the way up, because you never know what you're going to find in the road. Like so. Next, take your electrical connector. I got a 7-pin on my trailer. My trailer's got the trailer brakes, the lights, the whole 9 yards. Most trailers have, well, all trailers have lights, but not all trailers have brakes. Take that and plug it into your truck. Next step is your safety chains. You can also put your pin in your trailer hitch. Now, with these chains, I've always put the hooks back here, like this, and you always cross your chains. Always cross and make sure you take the slack out a little bit. Do it something like that. And you always cross your chains, because if your trailer comes off the ball, then it's kind of like a cradle and it catches the tongue of the trailer, so that way you don't dig into the road and tear things up. So that's basically it for hooking up your trailer. Next, you're going to want to do a little circle check for your truck here. So after you're all hooked up, you're going to want to go around and check all your lights. So you got clearance light there, clearance light there, clearance light, clearance light. Tail lights. You're going to want to see if there's any damages. Like I've got a cracked reflector here. I think I grabbed a rock with the 401 one time, but that's no big deal. I can always replace that anytime. And I've also missed a safety clip here. Lost one of my clips for my ramps. So always important to do your circle checks, and that way you don't lose something on the road somewhere. But you know, lights good there, lights good there, lights good there. Of course, antennas and truck are all good. It's a good way to get some exercise too if you've been sitting around all day doing laps around your truck and whatnot. Also, you want to check your four ways. I kind of just do it kind of quickly. Of course, we know the truck works. At least I hope the truck works. The truck should always work. Trailer light's good. The trailer light's good. Now, of course, I have the trailer brakes on my truck. I'm not sure if I can get it or not, but I'm going to try to get a clip here with the trailer brake controller, because what you should do when you're all loaded and ready to go, turn trailer brake controller up and just start the truck rolling a little bit, and then bring your trailer brake controller over, and that should activate your trailer brakes, and that should stop your unit. But I'll see if I can get a little shot here for you guys. Alright, you guys should hear the brakes activate when I slide the controller over. And of course, one more thing before you decide to pull out of the driveway with your hauling unit here, take your wheel chocks out. I know I just got a couple 2x6s there, but it does the job. So anyway, if you guys like that little video, please comment, rate, subscribe as always. Don't forget about our little Oliver tractor giveaway there if they're doing it like Graham's giveaway. I'm gonna go edit this up for you guys, and you're ready to go to work tomorrow. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.